everyone, welcome to Micah's Crazy Kitchen. Today we're going to put pork on your fork. Well, I guess on a skewer. We're going to do a pork souvlaki. From a previous episode where I did the pork chops, the stuffed pork chops, I had a little bit left of that tenderloin, so we're going to go to the refrigerator here.
Yeah, that was the one where you were pulling the pork from the fridge and
pulling and pounding my pork. So anyways, I pre-marinated this with a little marinade here for my pork souvlaki, and I've chunked up these pieces of pork rather beautifully, as you can see, and it's marinated overnight, so the smell is just intense.
I can smell your pork.
I know. So it's about 1.5 pounds of pork, and we've got 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, which I freshly squeezed into there, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a tablespoon of oregano. Just mix and let marinate. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah, 1/4 cup of olive oil. And that, there we go. That's that. And I've already put some on some skewers, but I will also show you how to skewer them yourself in case you don't know how to skewer. But that would be obscure if you didn't know how to skewer. Is that, that's obscure. All right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take a couple of these bad babies.
Go put your meat on that prick.
I'm gonna put my meat on that stick, Steve. Stick.
Yes.
So put about 5 pieces. One does not want to pierce their hand.
Don't worry about the fat on those, eh? That fat's good
Oh,
stuff.
fat is flavor. And don't forget, you can cook these till about a little pink in the middle. It's fine because it's a tenderloin and it's just gonna be so juicy and tasty, my friends. Oh my goodness.
Wow, I can't wait to try those.
And that'll be at about 400 again. We're gonna do that for about maybe 12 to 15 minutes. And serve that with a little tzatziki sauce.
Tzatziki.
Also, in a previous episode, we did some roasted potatoes. And you can use that with this too. And then you have yourself a full meal deal, folks.
Oh, that's a fatty one.
It is. And throw that aside.
Uh-oh.
It was angering me. That one can go away. And then we're gonna take the rest of this beautiful little mixture. We may as well just drizzle her all on top.
Because that's flavor.
Oh, it's gonna be garlic country.
What commercial did that come from? Flavor.
Flavor. I'm trying to think. You've stumped me.
Oh, come on, Micah.
Flavor.
Gum. That's flavor.
Chiclets?
Yes!
Chiclets. Gum, flavor.
Yes!
That was like the juicy fruit. Quickly, to the sink I go. It's like the bat cave.
Yep.
And I'm back, just like that, in a Shazam. All right, my friends. This is going to go into the oven, like I said, for about 20 minutes. And it's going to come out a delectable delight. So after these messages, we'll be right back. Okay, my friends, it's come to that time. You can smell it. It smells so good.
Oh, I can smell it.
It's pork time out of the oven. My little souvlakis. Oh my.
Smells like the Danforth in here.
Oh my god. This is going to be so good. Quick and easy ending to this episode, my friends. Pork comes off. Steve comes over.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm a big fan of pork, eh?
Oops. There we go. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
We gotta make sure that's done. I lied. We're gonna have to go cut back.
Oh yeah, not done yet. All right.
Wait, let's cut it.
Get me all excited.
Hold on. Let's see how raw is that.
So cut that. I want to see what. Oh,
That's a little too pink.
that's a little bit too pink there.
So folks.
Folks. False alarm.
Let that be a lesson learned to y'all.
Oh my God. Now you've got me so hungry. My mouth's watering all over the place. And I have to wait.
And we're gonna do this all over again.
And I have to wait.
Okay, friends.
Okay.
We'll be back
After these messages.
As the Wicked Witch said on Hansel and Gretel, into the oven you go, my little pretties. All right, friends, after that little kerfuffle of the pork not being done, but see how that was? It's always good to check. And what did we learn? It wasn't quite finished. But now, ah!
Jumping out.
That was the pork. When it jumps, that means it's ready. And lo and behold, it's ready.
Nice.
It's time.
You better check first.
Oh, no way. I'm going with the flow now, folks.
I don't want to see what
I'm all in.
All in. All in, Micah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This pork is done. Holy juice.
Done like dinner. Oh,
Look at that, my
juice.
friends. Okay, we're just going to add a little bit of our pretty parsley on top of there. We get a little knife. We'll even cut her in here. You can have it a little pink in the center. Oh, I think we're perfect, my friends. Look at that.
That does look perfect.
Little dippity-doo here. All right, folks. Let's end this on a happy note. Once again, too, if you're
Who's
liking
kidding,
these
too?
videos, like and subscribe, but I see someone who wants in.
Yeah.
I'm getting, notice how I got in there first?
This is always the happy note right here. Oh, I need another one to scoop it all in there, see?
You know what I do for the price of one. There you go. Thanks, buddy. You're good.
Next
All right,
time you can
folks.
do that with your tongue.
Yeah, next time. That'll be off camera.
Oh my god.
All right, we'll see
This
you
is
again, folks.
Awesome.
It's a delight. Peace. We're out of here.
Back in.
Back in.
This is really good.
That's a nice one, eh?
Little pink. Nice and tender.